Alex Amp in the show, and I'm doing this quilter amp, and I don't know. Sounds all right? Sounds good? Okay, they like it. I'll be fine with it. I'm not used to it. Hey there, Carmine's Country Corner up here in beautiful downtown La Crescenta, California. We had a blues guy here last week. We had a little bit of fun, didn't we, Bob?
We sure did.
T.J. Sullivan, and he's got a little bit of a following, and we had a good show, and a lot of people watched, and it was fun. We brought a little blues to Carmine's Country Corner.
Except that night, the doctors were not in the house. But
No,
the
they
doctors
weren't.
were in the house.
And, you know, I asked Teresa when she got here, I said, I need a note.
Did I say something wrong?
Good. What?
They're hiding from their husbands. I'm just kidding.
Paul Marshall, I think, is watching the Super Bowl game.
Yeah. That's what I'm not.
And he actually takes several times now, I notice on Super Bowl Sunday, he'll tell me that week, I can't be here Sunday, and I just figured it out. He likes to watch the Super Bowl. Me, I like doing the show.
Me too.
Anyway, it's as of about 10 minutes ago, it was somewhere around the top of the third inning, that's baseball, third quarter. Excuse me, folks. And
Why don't you tell us about this game here, Carl?
yeah, I am. Anyway, third quarter, and it was 9-0.
I thought it was the fourth hole.
And no, I think isn't that hockey? Okay. Bob, you want to do one?
You got your letter in guitar.
Huh?
You got your letter in guitar.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, I'm not sports, believe me.
Neither did I.
Hey, speaking of sports, I did a job on a beautiful Corvette this week, and this guy was a good-looking kid. He told me he was 28 years old, and muscles, good, kind of tall, weighed about 180, 185 pounds, and so I had to ask him. He was such a nice young man. I said, what do you do? He said, I'm a professional boxer. I said, well, I will do you a good job. I gotta make sure that one looks good. But what a nice man, and his older brother by a year just had a fight Saturday night down in Mexico, and he knocked the guy out in the fourth round.
Huh.
And this kid's record, his name is Derek, and he's 10-0 right now. You know, that's pretty good record.
That's very good, yeah.
And his brothers, I think, are somewhere around 15-0, and he just knocked his last guy out Saturday night. And so anyway, they were kind of nice, interesting people to meet and talk with, you know.
Whenever I think about fighting, you know, I always remember this really funny thing that Dick Cavett said to Muhammad Ali. Well, Muhammad Ali said, well, Dick Cavett said, well, you know, I used to box. And Muhammad Ali said, wow, you don't have any marks on you. You must have been pretty good. I said, yeah. You don't have, and then Dick said it to Muhammad, well, you don't have any marks on you either. Well, I am good.
Yeah, right.
That's what Muhammad Ali.
I am.
Yeah, yeah, he was.
Well, he was
cool.
He was a great. I saw him, Muhammad Ali. I saw him fight live once, and I met him, and he signed a dollar bill for me. I have it at home in a frame with his signature on it.
Nice.
Yeah, he was a nice guy.
He's an American icon, man.
Oh, he was
American
great.
icon.
Love Muhammad Ali. All right, so what
Let's do we're gonna do Summertime Blues in the key of D.
Hold on, I want to talk about Dick Cavett and how
Okay.
little he knew about fighting. He said to Mike Tyson, he said, well, what do you do? Do you look them in the eyes? He said, they can't hit you with their eyes. I'm watching the corner to get out of there.
Kid D, what we doing?
Summertime Blues. We're gonna walk it up. Here we go.
I'm gonna raise a fuss, I'm gonna raise a holler about working all summer just to try to earn $1. Every time I call my baby, try to get a date, the boss said no dice and you gotta work late. Sometimes I wonder just what I'm gonna do. There ain't no cure for the summertime blues. My mama and papa told me, son, you gotta make some money. If you wanna use the car to go riding next Sunday, 'cause you didn't work a lick. Sometimes I wonder just what I'm gonna do. There ain't no cure for the summertime blues. I'm gonna take 2 weeks, I'm gonna have a bum vacation. I'm gonna take my problems to the United Nations. Yeah, I called my congressman, he said, quote, I'd like to help you, son, but you're too young to vote. Sometimes I wonder just what I'm gonna do, and there ain't no cure for the summertime blues. Hey! Like I said before, I'm gonna take 2 weeks, I'm gonna have a bum vacation. I'm gonna take my partners to the United Nations. Yeah, I called my congressman, he said, quote, I'd like to help you, son, but you're too young to vote. Sometimes I wonder just what I'm gonna do, and there ain't no cure for the summertime blues. Ain't no cure, that's for sure.
Yeah, man. Summertime
I'm
blues.
overdrive.
Summertime blues. Summer's coming, you know. It's
Yeah.
like a summer night tonight,
I know it.
Pelly.
Huh?
Bob Pelly did show up with his guitar, and then things got turned around. So I think by next week we're gonna get him involved in this situation. So look for that. I met Bob Pelly at a car lot in 1964. I just got married, and we were young guys back then.
I know, huh?
Man,
So was
what
I.
happened? You know Mike Johnstone said? You know Mike Johnstone. Still, everybody knows Mike. Oh, I love Mike. Mike told me the other day, he said, you know, he said, how did I get over the hill without making it to the top?
Do you still talk to him?
Yeah, I love that guy. I love him.
I came to California with
I know
Mike.
that. You told me that. I've known him for 100 years. We used to play.
I've known him for
everywhere.
150
I
years.
know, but I never met you till,
Why didn't he come
30
up?
years after I knew Mike, I met you.
Bring him up here. Get him up here.
I should.
Yeah,
All right.
absolutely.
Do another.
Gee. Here's a tune that I didn't write. A lot of people think I wrote this tune. Understandable. What? Forgot the song. He started playing some weird funkadelic stuff.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't.
It's by Merle Haggard. Do you know it? take it to E, seeing how this ain't the song. E. Day I passed you on the street, and my heart fell at your feet. I can't help it if I'm still in love with you. Nobody else is by your side, and you look so satisfied. I can't help it if I'm still in love with you. A picture from the past came slowly creeping, and I brushed your arm, stood so close to you. Then suddenly I got that old time feeling. I can't help it if I'm still in love with you. Well, it's hard to know other lips kissed you. Held you just the way I used to do. And then suddenly I got that old time feeling. I can't help it if I'm still in love with you. It's hard to know other lips have kissed you. Held you just the way I used to do. Heaven only knows how much I miss you. I can't help it if I'm still in love with you. Lord, I can't help it if I'm still in love with you. Wow, that was like
Well, that was a rocky start, but once it got going, it sounded pretty
It
decent.
helps when the bass player knows what song we're playing. That's all. And the intro. What does the intro do? Because I know the intro is a 5-5-1 on the record.
no, it's not the song I was going
Yeah,
to
Okay,
that's
play.
his
here we go.
tags, right?
But this guy gave me the wrong title. That's not the song.
Well, you can start that song a million ways. You can write
Sure
it. One
can.
you just gotta let people know what you're gonna do, and you just
Exactly.
do it. It's not a problem. Hey, do you?
Wait a
What's
minute.
next?
Before we move on,
Yeah.
I gotta remember what the name of the song was. I was gonna do the Merle Haggard song.
Oh, okay.
Oh, the way I am. No,
Don't confuse them.
I know which one it's gonna be. That's what I was gonna do.
It's never too late. You
Well, I
know-
don't know what you were gonna do.
No, though, you know the one we do.
Yeah, right.
We did the pause in there.
Jeez.
God, are we that old? Is it happening? No, that's what we just did. No, that's why it's confusing.
It's the one that goes. Bum.
Oh, shut up, Bob. I'm not listening. No more.
It's that one. I've been
That's the other
throwing
one, yeah.
horseshoes.
No, that's
Oh,
that's
okay.
So you wanted to do today, so let me do again.
Do you want me to?
Yeah, right now. Let's
Hi, folks. Good to be here.
I forgot.
Happy Super Bowl.
I don't know how the Patriots are doing. All right, what do you got?
I don't know, man. What's it? No, that's not good. All right, I'm going blankets because of.
All right, Bob, you do another one.
Okay, here we go.
What do you got?
Singing the blues.
What key?
E. All the way around, and I'll start singing. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 4, 5. I never felt more like singing the blues, 'cause I never thought that I'd ever lose your love, babe. Why'd you do me this way? I never felt more like crying all night, 'cause everything's wrong and nothing ain't right without you. You got me singing the blues. The moon and stars no longer shine. The dream is gone, I thought was mine. There's nothing left for me to do but cry over you. I never felt more like running away. I said I'd go, 'cause I couldn't stay without you. You got me singing the blues. Hey. The moon and stars no longer shine. The dream is gone, I thought was mine. There's nothing left for me to do but cry over you. I never felt more like running away. But why should I go? 'Cause I couldn't stay without you. You got me singing the blues. Hey. The moon and stars no longer shine. The dream is gone, I thought was mine. There's nothing left for me to do but cry, 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 cry over you. I never felt more like singing the blues, 'cause I never thought that I'd ever lose your love, babe. You got me singing the blues. Yeah, without you, you got me singing the blues. Thank you so much. Sounds good, John Palmer. Sounds good, John Palmer.
Today I started loving you. That's what I love.
Good, okay. Yeah, sure. Why not?
I'm gonna try this in E.
Where to go?
Thank
By the way, Gary, you're looking pretty
Snazzy.
sharp to, yeah, I mean, like, the coat and the sunglasses
That's
at
what-
night is always a cool kind of a look.
Well, when you got a job, you can.
Yeah, when you start making money, you get to dress up a little. Yeah, you look great.
I know it's kind of lonely being the only employed guy in the band all the time.
You know, on the Jay
Unemployed.
Leno, speaking of making money, Jay Leno years ago said a funny thing. The Kennedy family, this is supposed to be a true story. They all met. They were having a big meeting about the estate because I think when the father died, Joe Kennedy, many in the 50s, 60s, whenever he passed away, it was worth about like let's say $750 million, which back then could have been $5 billion today. You know, that's a lot of money, 50, 60 years ago. So they had a meeting to talk about the estate because now it was only worth $350 million. True story. Jay Leno's just saying this, and so Jay Leno says, "Gee, you know," he says, "I wonder if any of them thought about, you know, maybe getting a job. Might help, you know." Now I don't know how true that story is, but that's what he said.
Well, I've never been in a department store and seen any of them working there.
Yeah. Anyway, what do we got there?
Merle Haggard and
I'll tell you what it is. That's not what it is.
man, I don't know what it is. It's the what's that smell? Is that a you having a barbecue outside?
Carmine's gonna tune up. Hold on. Okay.
Okay, I'd like to remind you of. Can I say my sponsors? Testing. I picked up a new sponsor, and I actually have a lot of their gear. Oh no, I go to AAA. I have an extra A in my club. Anyway, on stage equipment, their keyboard stands and stools and mic stands.
I
and
do.
all of that stuff. There's only one rule in this band, folks. If you're tuning in, you're sitting in your garage at home on the couch. They won't let you bring in. No rehearsing the band. We're not allowed to do any rehearsal, as you could probably tell.
No, they can't tell.
They can't tell? Oh, it's perfect then.
We proved that last week.
Yeah, we got more hits.
More hits than we ever did.
Says I'm in tune.
What is that?
I think barbecue maybe.
But who's cooking it?
There's houses down there that way.
The barbecuers. There's some mean people.
Today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you just long enough to let my heartache mend. But today I started loving you again. What a fool I was, things I'd get
watching Carmine's Country Carnival. It's a little loose tonight, but we're having fun.
We are.
Yeah. You got another one?
I do. I got like 30 songs I could do.
Well, if we had
There's no
enough time,
for
we'd
that.
do them all. Do another one.
Okay, we're gonna do "Walking by Myself." I did the song last week. It's a blues song because we had kind of a blues show last week. It gave me the blues. All right, here we go. I'm walking. E. 1, 2. I want to be. I'm walking by I'm walking by myself. I hope you'll understand. I just want you. Okay, wrong key. My wife, Poopa. We're gonna go to A. Here we go. I'm walking by myself. I hope you'll understand. I just want to be your lover, man. I love you, yes, I love you with all my heart and soul. Would not mistreat you for my weight in gold. You know that I love you, and you know it's true. Gonna give you my loving. What more can I do? I'm walking by myself. I hope you understand. I just want to be your lover, man. That I love you, and you know it's true. Gonna give you my loving. What more can I do? I'm walking by myself. I hope you understand. I just want to be your lover, man. One more time, guys. That I love you, and you know it's true. Gonna give you my loving. What more can I do? I'm walking by myself. I hope you understand. I just want to be your lover, man. Another true story.
One more last chance. Hey.
Okay.
Oh, we get one.
I like the voice thing you gave me, that little thing. It's great. You gotta get me some.
I told you. I done told you.
They work?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Very, very.
I thought you took one last week.
No, I don't take that shit.
And
Let's
they're
see.
not just-
Go to play.
Okay.
Let's do a song.
Talking now.
Come on.
Can't play and talk. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and. She was standing at the front door. I came home last night. Good book in the left hand, rolling bin in the right. Said, come on, for the last time. Whiskey on your breath. You're gonna listen to my preaching. I'm gonna beat you half to death. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're done. No, I drive you crazy, baby. Best that I can do. It's a good old boy that's making on it, running around on you. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. First she hid my glasses, 'cause you know that I can't see. Said you ain't going nowhere, boy. Spend a little time with me. And my friends called from Carmine Corner. There's a party going on there. Well, she might have hid my car keys. She forgot about my whole gone deal. Give me just one more last chance before you say we're through. No, I drive you crazy, baby. This that I can do. There's a good old boy making noise, running out on you. There's one more last chance before you say we're through.
This old smoke-filled bar, something I'm not used to. I just left my home to keep you satisfied. swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. Stop by, see me anytime you want to. 'Cause you'll always find me here to closing time. I've got everything I'll need to drive me crazy. I've got everything I'll need to lose my mind. And the atmosphere in here's just right for heartache. And thanks to you, I'm always here to closing time. I got swinging doors, a jukebox, and a bar stool. My new home has a flashing neon sign. Come on by, see me anytime you want to. You'll always find me here to closing time. Thank you guys. How much time we got? I can't read the clock.
10 minutes.
We got about 12 minutes? 10 minutes? Okay. Well, Bob, you want to do another one?
Sure.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, we're gonna do the song in E. It's called Folsom Prison, but I got these other lyrics
Oh,
that.
I love the way you do this.
Yeah, it's the Peter Townsend lyric, and some way I'm gonna try to fit in eventually that bridge section, you know. But anyway, the last verse is gonna go to F, gentlemen. We're gonna go to the last verse. I'll cue you. Okay, here we go. Just you know. Ever since I was a young boy, I played the silver ball. From Soho down to Brighton, I must have played the ball. But I ain't seen nothing like it in any amusement hall. That deaf, dumb, and blind kid sure plays a mean pinball. He stands like a statue, becomes part of the machine. Feeling all the bumpers, always playing clean. Plays the intuition, the digit counters fall. Yeah, that deaf, dumb, and blind kid sure plays a mean pinball. All right. distractions, don't hear no buttons and bells, no
see no lights a flashing, plays my sense of smell, always gets a replay, the digit counters fall. Yeah, that deaf, dumb and blind kid sure plays a mean fiddle ball. Keyboard. F, here we go. Even on my favorite table, he can beat my best. The disciples lead him in, and he just does the rest. He's got crazy flipping fingers. He never tilts at all. Yeah, that devil coming blind kid sure plays me fiddle ball. Thank you.
Bass solo.
Yeah.
Man, you play the bass like a guitar player would play, kind of.
Well, when I'm soloing,
Yeah, right.
I had to use the pick for the solo. yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
No, that's great. I love that. You know, Jim Leslie, who passed away, I believe.
Last year.
Unfortunately, yeah.
Last year, yeah.
And I had the pleasure of working with Jim a lot.
Me too.
And he always used a pick. And he was a good guitar player, too.
He was.
Oh, yeah.
A lefty. He was a lefty like
Yeah,
me.
he was.
Except
He
I
used to
played
play
right-handed.
left-handed like this, but he played great bass, and I always liked it because he used a pick. Most of the time I played with him anyway.
Yeah.
So, yeah, Jim Leslie, good guy. Go ahead there. You want to close it out? We're going to do one more and call it quits. Thanks for watching the show. It's a little loose tonight. You know, we were kind of trying to get guitar amps and figuring things out, but we had a lot of fun. Thanks for coming to Pelly. Next week, don't be late, Bob Pelly. We're going to do something for sure. Hey!
There's a closet full of dresses that I bought you. And here's the keys to a new car in the drive. And before you leave our room, put on your best perfume. If you're gonna do me wrong, do it right. And the next time when the phone rings, I won't answer